For visa-free travel, you need obviously your passport. I'm a Ghanaian, so I'm going to talk in perspective of what you need as a Ghanaian citizen when going to Ghana's visa-free countries. Visa-free means that Ghana and some particular countries, in our case 66 or 67 countries, have an agreement that allow our citizens to travel to each other's country without any visa at all. But you need to have a passport. You always need a return ticket. A return ticket indicates the day you are entering the country and the day you are exiting the country. You need your proof of accommodation. They always need to know where you are going to be staying, a hotel or friends or wherever. They need to know where you are staying. You need proof of sufficient funds. You always need to demonstrate to immigration that you have enough money to take care of yourself. You always need your yellow fever vaccination card. The yellow card has primarily your yellow fever vaccination as well as other important vaccinations like hepatitis, typhoid or any other ones. But the most important one is the yellow fever vaccination. For some countries or some airlines, like I think Ethiopian Airlines, you might need to deposit some money at immigration when you are traveling, depending on where you are traveling to. Also, some countries are visa on arrival. Visa on arrival means that when you get to their immigration, they will now stamp your passport and then you will pay a small visa fee, $25, $30. Normally, it's nothing much. Some countries are also ETA, which is electronic travel authorization, like Morocco and Ghana right now. So you apply for it. I think you pay about $25, correct me if I'm mistaken, and then you will get the ETA via email. So visa free doesn't mean that everything is completely free. There are 44 countries for Ghana that is absolutely visa free, no visa charges, no nothing. Those 44 countries, no charges at all will be incurred on your part as a traveler. But for those that are visa on arrival or electronic travel authorization or ETA, you might need to pay a small token when you arrive at their immigration for them to process you to travel. But the whole point of visa free is that you're not going to an embassy before you leave your country to go seek for permission. You just need to gather your passport, your return ticket, your proof of accommodation, your proof of sufficient funds, your yellow fever vaccination card, and make sure that these documents are in order, because at immigration and when you are traveling at the airport, if you've ever traveled before, when you go to check in, they will check you, make sure to ask you a few questions, because the essential thing in all travel is that they want to know that when you go, you are going to come back. So they just check these documents to know that you have a place you are going to stay, you have money to take care of yourself, you intend to leave their country, you come back, you can go and you can come. That is what visa free is all about. You can go on booking.com to book your accommodation. Booking.com doesn't require you to pay a reservation fee up to a certain time. So you can book your accommodation and print that out as your proof of accommodation. You can book flights on trip.com, skyscanner.com, Wakanow. There's so many of them. Google is your best friend. When you want anything, just go on Google, search it. Anything, go on Google and type what you want and you'll see it. Google is your best friend. Try to find your answers on Google before you give any agent your money. Thanks so much for watching.